Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a reindeer cane. It has simple elements, but there are a few fiddly parts. Let's begin. I'm using white, black, red, and brown clay for this cane. The first element is the eyes of our reindeer. Take a piece of black clay, roll it into a log, and wrap it in a thick layer of white. Reduce the cane to get two sections, which you will need to wrap in another layer of white. Similar to the eyes, do the red nose, a log of red clay wrapped in a layer of white. You do not need to double wrap it. To fill in the empty spaces between our elements, I'm using triangles made with white clay. Here comes the fiddly part, antlers. Sandwich a strip of brown clay between two sheets of white, then run them through the pasta machine on the thickest setting. Cut the strip into sections. They will be the branches of the reindeer antlers. We will be attaching the little sections to another strip of brown. All the sections will need to be cut at an angle so you can get a beveled edge. Arrange them next to the brown strip, but don't attach permanently yet. We will also need to cut white fillers in between the antler branches. Everything gets cut at a slight angle. After you attach the fillers, start to build out the empty spaces around the tops of the branches with more white clay until you can easily wrap the whole thing in a thick layer of white. Add more white to get a rectangular shape and then reduce your cane. This next part is all about attaching the elements together and filling out the spaces to get an easily reducible shape. I'm filling it out to be a square. When you finish giving your cane the square shape, let it rest for a bit before reducing. my reductions start with either an acrylic block or a tile. I press down on the cane with the block or tile, and I usually do it standing up so the pressure is distributed evenly. Find a good balance between pressing too hard and not enough. It will definitely get easier with practice. Rotate the sides all the time. Hands and fingers will help as well. Just try not to squeeze too hard so you don't distort the design. Use the roller only to straighten, not to reduce. This will minimize the distortion. Once the cane gets long enough, gently stretch it in your hands. Here's our reindeer all done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Till next time!